Hello, you're welcome to my channel once again. If you are here, thank you so much for doing the watching and also subscribing to my channel for new video update. Over here now, I have the electric cooking lunchbox, and it's the first time I'm trying it, although I've had it for about 2 years now. Today I decided to boil my potatoes, yes, to see how it's going to work. And so I started off by chopping and cutting into pieces my potatoes, and before that I had started heating in some water. Since this has 4 bowls, there are 2 bowls in there already that I had started heating. Okay, so the water in the base is already hot. All right, and I was just added my water and made sure that it was enough. Then also added my salt and covered it. At this time I was checking to see how it was cooking, and you can see that this is already, it's half boiled, so I had to just cover it up again and allow it to cook. Okay, so over here I'm securing the cover once again and turning it on to continue cooking. Honestly, I think I enjoyed using it because even not for the fact that I was trying it the first time, I could just set my things and go continue with anything I was doing, continue to watch my movie or wash or do anything and allow it to cook. Okay, so at this point my food was ready. It didn't take any long. It was between 15 to 20 minutes. My food was already here and I was doing the testing. I was just trying to be sure, but you can also see from the color of the potatoes that they are ready. Yeah, they are ready, well cooked seemingly. Both ends are just good to go. So I was just doing the checking the tenderness of the potatoes and all that, and it was really hot, really hot. I think I enjoy using it, and honestly I'm going to be using it often. I've had it for the past 2 years and I didn't really believe that it was going to work, but my honest review, it did just perfect, and I'm going to continue using. So this can also be a lunchbox for your kids, your husband to take to work, to warm their food or to heat their food or to even cook. They can chop. So you see, you can have this chopping all your food stuff and with your stew in the other bowl. Once you get to work and you are getting ready for lunch, you just plug it in and relax. And relax whilst your food gets ready. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.